Hello from the Mac Corner. We have some new equipment for sale. We have the 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 for $13.99. And we have a 14-inch space gray one for $12.99. These are 16 gig, 500 gig drives. We have this MacBook Air 15-inch M2 for sale. It's going for $9.99. And then we have a 13-inch MacBook Air for sale going for $8.99. We also have these 16-inch 2019 computers for $9.99, spec'd out really well. 16 gig, 1 terabyte, i9s. And then we have a 13-inch. This is a 2019 for $5.99. And then a couple of MacBook Airs. These are M1s, 2020 models. One in gold and one in space gray for $7.99. We also have this, believe it or not, Surface computer with this great adapter that you could plug all kinds of external things into. This is going for $4.99. Then on the top shelf, we have an iPad mini going for $3.99. This is decked out. This is a cellular 256. And then we have these iPhone 11s. We are getting a couple of iPhone 12 Pros in tomorrow, a iPad 10th generation. So we'll have a few more devices. We have this trackpad for $89 as well, if you're interested. We have 13-inch laptop bags. They're going for a great price of $24.99. And then moving on over here, we have a $3.99 2015 iMac with a keyboard mouse, and then this really nice M1 iMac going for $15.69, and it's going for that much because it's 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte. Then we have this older 27-inch computer, good for a child. Really nice screen. It's going for $2.99. It's old, it's 11 years old, but it definitely still works, and it should give you several more years of service. We have adapters, we have car chargers. We also have Apple computer and Apple device chargers and the cables that go with. We have multi-port chargers that are really handy when you travel and just need to plug in multiple devices at once. So come to the Mac Corner and check out what we have, and we could help you. Every computer you buy, we will transfer data. Every iPad and phone will help you get the data moved over. We'll give you that personal service that you can't get online, you can't get in most stores. You could get it here at the Mac Corner. I'll have more videos. Please like and subscribe so you could stay up to date and informed on the latest inventory that comes to the Mac Corner.